Yeah, so payroll tax is one of those things that nobody really likes. It sometimes feels like the government's penalising you. So as soon as you get to a certain level, all of a sudden you've got this tax. Each state and territory has its own system, different rates, different thresholds, even slightly different rules in some cases. And that's probably one of the common pitfalls that we see is clients hitting that threshold and forgetting that they've hit that threshold and not realising. And then, a couple of years down the track, they suddenly realise that, oops, we didn't register payroll tax, and then you've got an audit on your hands. The other common one is confusion around what's included in payroll tax. So things like contractors, super, allowances, termination payments, all these other things which can often get pulled in under this payroll tax regime. And again, that's an area that often gets looked at by the auditors. As I said, each state runs its own show, so it is quite tricky to keep across all of the different key requirements for each area. To make sure we're not caught out by payroll tax audits, I guess the main thing is to be across the threshold for each state and territory. So that as soon as you go over that threshold, you're making sure you're registering for payroll tax. And the other thing is being across the rules on what contractors and other things are included in payroll tax. Making sure they're declared properly so you're not getting caught out if you do get audited, so you don't end up with the penalties and interest.